One thing I always emphasize is that surveillance should never be viewed as punishment. Okay. We're not gonna, assign surveillance just to punish those people. We don't do that, right? That's never our job. We're more professional than that. Surveillance is simply a risk management strategy, and it's done by insurance companies and insurance personnel because it does provide you some super effective information. It's a way to verify and ensure we're making decisions based on facts rather than assumptions or just relying totally on what people tell us. So good surveillance protects the carrier, but good surveillance also protects the employer if you get a workers' comp situation. And sometimes good surveillance protects the claimant because it could confirm that the reported limitations are accurate. And I think we can all support the fact that if a claimant is truly injured, that they get compensated for that injury. Successful surveillance isn't measured by catching someone doing something wrong. Successful surveillance is measured by how it helps us make a better claims decision and a more informed claim decision.